Hello, all you lovely photographers and filmmakers out there. I welcome you all wholeheartedly to another episode of the Photo Friday, which, because of some reasons, is releasing on Saturday. So I apologize for that, first of all. And now, without any more delay, let's start with today's topic, which is how you can shoot some nice, beautiful, aesthetic, eye-pleasing flat lay photographs. Yeah, guys. So in order to bring that perspective to you guys, let me give you a small backstory. So recently what happened that I ran out of my diary. The pages were completely over, so I thought maybe I should go out because my diary delivery was a bit delayed from Amazon itself. So I thought maybe I should go out and look for some stationery which is open during this time, and luckily one store was open. I bought this beautiful diary and this beautiful fountain pen, completely steel bulletproof beautiful fountain pen, and I thought, okay, let's go home and write something. But before, when I reached my home at my workplace, we have this feeling, we all have this feeling when we buy something new to bring our workplace in complete order, and I did the same. And after that I felt that, man, this moment should be properly savored. So I picked up my camera with that inspiration to shoot something beautiful. I opened my laptop, opened my logo of that pirate, that glorious maiden pirate, and then clicked this beautiful shot. Bam! Yeah, guys. And then I thought, that's a beautiful picture, and people liked it, honestly. And then I thought maybe I should share how you can shoot some nice pictures. And luckily, guys, today itself I was delivered this another diary from Amazon. So it's a complete different diary. Today we are going to click this beautiful, aesthetic, eye-pleasing, old school, rustic looking flat lay picture for this diary. Yeah, guys, but before going outside, let us open it and see how beautiful this diary is, because it is like completely leather embossed diary. I love leather products. Oh guys, it's a beautiful diary. Completely old school, like stitched with leather and simple thread. So look at it. Just guys, look at it. Yeah, it's completely beautiful. Yeah, guys, but now it's time to go out and look for some products with which we can place this diary and have some nice shots. Okay guys, now since this diary is the subject of our flat lay photography, so because this is an old diary, an old school diary, an old school journal, as you can see from here, hence we have to choose other products accordingly. Perhaps there can be some old school pens, some ink pots, some rustic things like some wooden, you can say some wooden background, something like that. So starting from this desk, I would say that what I'm gonna choose is not this knife, obviously, because it's something new, something you can say which is not giving that old school look, so rejected. And this pen as well, it's too much of a steel, so perhaps this pen. Yeah guys, because that gold and black. So yep, this is the first thing. This steel box, however, could be used with the later in post-processing. I can give it that rustic look. So yeah, this as well, this ink pot too. A lot can be done with things in post-processing. So for now, these things. Anyways guys, now let's go out and explore for some other things out there. Let's go to the outer storeroom and see what is there waiting for us. Yeah guys, let's go. However, we can use this one. It's an old school knife. It will work. Okay guys, now it's time to get something that you can get on the ground, something rustic or something woody. So we're gonna go in storeroom and find something rustic like that. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, here it is, the store. Something old school and rustic. Well, yeah, maybe this is something that we would need. This shoe brush that could be used as leather polishing brush. Not shoes, but perhaps not anything special. But yeah, this wooden pile could be used as a nice thing to keep as the background for flat lay. Yeah. We got our stuff. Okay guys, so as you can see, this big board, this brush, and the old school knife. So let's start with the process now. Yeah. A simple flat lay shot, but after post processing it is gonna look one hell of a shot. Like, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this journey of flat lay photography, of hunting different kind of objects that complement with our subject. And if you enjoyed this journey, I urge you guys to go out there, look for different kind of inspirations, find your own subject, and then look for different kind of objects that complement with your subject, and then shoot some nice flat lay pictures. And moreover, I would like to say, if you enjoyed this video, consider liking the video, and for more photography related content guys, smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in another photography Fridays and filmy Mondays, most probably very soon, and some Lightroom tutorials are coming on their way guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy, have fun, and peace.